Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change multiple row height at once in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then create your Excel spreadsheet or open your default Excel spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my Excel spreadsheet. Now I change multiple row heights at once. Select a multiple row. Then go to format home menu, then click format drop down menu, and you can see here our row height option. Now click on this row height. Now I increase or decrease this row height. Now I increase 15 to 25, not 58, just type 25, then press OK. You can see I change multiple row height at once in Excel. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for